Okay, we'll begin. Last night, I was awakened from fitful sleep around 2:30 in the morning.
Last night,
I had a voice, one of Desmond's voice. I was awake, I couldn't make it out first. I had a voice, because it was so dark. It said to do that one again, yeah? Okay. Last night, I was awakened in my fitful sleep at 2:30 in the morning by a faceless voice. I couldn't make it out at first, being so dark. And I said, sorry, you'll have to speak a little bit louder. And the voice said to me, I want you to tell the people about the truth. The voice said to me, the whole truth. I want you to tell the people. I said, but that's literally a little bit hard. Not easy considering the people, because the people, they don't know the truth. And I said, well, I'm not going to leave you alone. I want you to get mad. You're kidding. What the hell would I know about the truth? And the voice said, well, I'm not going to leave you alone. I want you to get mad. Don't worry. I will put the words into your mouth. And I said, what is this? For God's sake, I'm not Moses. And the voice said, I'm not God. What has that got to do with me? Then the voice said to me, we're not talking about eternal truth, absolute truth, ultimate truth. We're talking about impermanent, transient, human truth. And I don't expect you people to be capable of the truth, but God damn it, I expect you to be capable of self-preservation. And I said, why me? Why me? And the voice said, because you're on television, dummy. You have 40 million viewers hearing, listening to you every night. And by this evening you'll probably have 50 million. For Pete's sake, I'm not asking you to walk in Sandcloth and preach the Armageddon. You're on TV, man. And I thought, yeah, why not? Why not? We know things are bad, worse than bad. They're crazy. Okay, do you want me to take it from the top? Or would you like me to do it from the top? How would you like me to sit? Do I need to stand at all? Or do you want me to do everything sitting? We know things are bad. Is that okay? Worse than bad. Yeah. They're crazy. Right. We're given illusions, man. The you people, none of you sit through day in, day out, night after night, day in, day out, all ages, night after night, colours, all ages, creeds, colours, creeds. We're all you know. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. We're all you know. You're beginning to believe the illusions we're spinning here. I'm as bad as hell, and I'm not going to take We know things are bad. Worse than bad. They're crazy. We know things are bad. Worse than bad. They're crazy. We sit there watching our TVs, waiting for our local newscaster to give us the news of 15 homicides, 53 crimes. Is that the way it's supposed to be? So we don't go out anymore. We sit there, we watch our TVs, waiting for our local newscaster to give us the news of 15 homicides, 23 crimes. Is that the way it's supposed to be? Things are bad. Worse than bad. They're crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't even want you to write to your local councillor, because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about the depression, the inflation, the Russians, and all the crimes in the streets. I don't know what to do about the depression, the inflation, the Russians, and all the crimes in the street. All I know is, at first, you've got to get mad. All I know is, at first, you've got to say, man, I'm a human being, damn it. My life has value. I want you to get up. I want you to get out of your chair. You've got to say, I'm a human being, damn it, and my life has value. I want you to get up, go to your windows, open it, and stick your heads out and yell. I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. You've got to say, I'm a human being, damn it, and I'm not going to take this anymore. I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. I'm not going to take this anymore. I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. Should we go from last night? Okay. Last night.